Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're going to be having a look at this. Now this comes from Fixr and this is a rechargeable mini portable vacuum cleaner that also is a portable blower as well. So it does both jobs and it looks like it's quite handy to have if you've got to clean up messes around your desk or if you do PC builds or any kind of thing where you want something a bit smaller to get into spaces to pick up rubbish or blow the rubbish out. So anyway, like all my videos, let's get it out the box, have a bit of a closer look and see if this is something that might be useful to you as well as for me. Okay, so the first thing out of the box is this very thin manual, and this covers the operation of the little mini vacuum cleaner, and it will also tell you some of the specs of it. So that's the first thing out of the box. Next is the charging cable for the device, and it's USB on one side and then a barrel connector on the other, and that's included in the box. Unfortunately it doesn't take USB-C, so it's not a standard type of USB charging port, but at least it does include the cable with it. And finally we've got the vacuum cleaner itself, and as you can see they've shaped it a bit like a hand drill or something you can hold in your hand, which is quite nice. Now this end is where the actual blower is, and you put attachments here, and it basically uses the fan of the vacuum cleaner the other way to blow. On the bottom you've got a port for charging with this little rubber cover, which is quite good. You've got your on and off switch here, and then this part here is the vacuum cleaner part, and you can open it like so, and then you can get into it and you can clean out the filter, and you can put everything sort of together again like so, lock it all into place. So that's basically the vacuum cleaner itself. So next, if I push the button, you can hear how loud it is, and it's got quite a bit of suction there. It's actually very strong. So I'll get some debris on the table and we'll test that out and see how well that performs. Now for blowing, you attach these to the back and they just click on, and then that gives you the blowing ability. So I'll check that out too. So let me just get some debris. I'll just break up some bits of paper. Like so. So now we've got some bits of paper on this desk, so we'll just try it out. And you can see that they've collected all the bits of paper inside, and that's pretty good. Now if you want to use it for blowing, I'll just put this bit of paper up like so. You attach this attachment here on the back and then turn it on, and now you've got your blower. Now you can actually attach other attachments, like you have got this one that gives a bigger opening for blowing stuff, which is also handy. And then you've got those other attachments that you saw earlier to extend the nozzle at the front so you can use it further away. And then you've got this brush attachment that you can put on the end of it too to extend it even more, and then use it as a brushing thing to get dust up, which is really quite handy. So overall, this is quite a neat little product and is definitely handy for doing cleanups around your desk, or if you're doing a PC build and you want to re-clean up an old PC that's very dusty, this would be quite a handy little tool to have. So overall, I can definitely recommend this. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.